So we are going to take a look at Gradient's product called Billable, which you can sync your PSA to, and they will help you reconcile your billing at the end of each month. So you're not leaving any money on the table. It will also help you understand a high-level overview of your billing process, help identify opportunities to help your MSP grow, as well as help you find that missing revenue. So let's jump into the demo, and here is what we saw, and here is what we liked. All right, so when you're looking at the Gradient website, it's very nicely laid out. You have all your resources that you need, your sales enablement. You can instantly look at the top right and you can sign in and log up. So they use the Microsoft Google SSO, or you can use their own built-in magic link, which puts your email in, sends your link, click, and you're in. So when you log in, you're going to see a dashboard with these cards. They're your service line items with information in them. They're grouped very nicely. Instead of having to log into your PSA and track down all the product line items, you can, versus which clients you're using or not using, you can view it all here. You can also here adjust the quantity, the prorated transactions, and assign the correct dates. So as you adjust the dates, your net profit and revenue will change for the client contract inside these cards. The total units would be updated here and written instantly to your PSA. When you update it, it'll be removed from the billable dashboard, so you can continue working on other items without having to see that and thinking it's the same thing. You can also, to get the vendor line items in here, you can upload a CSV from the vendor into Billable, which is nice. You just map it out. So before that happens, though, they're going to show you a sample import detail of what's going to be imported, how many account details, services, and things like that will be synced into Billable. When you have that sync, they're going to bring you back to the dashboard for the service reconciliation, which will show you the line items you just imported, the change in profit, the revenue, the units. This will also currently show what's in the PSA versus what you just imported. So you can reconcile instantly and it'll update in your PSA, which is really nice from a time saving perspective. If you need to make any manual adjustments, quantities, dates, etc., you could do it here. It's very easy to do. You can click on the service line items. You can select multiple clients at once to reconcile if you need to. So you can also view the historical activity in Billable as well. You can see the dates that or the reconciliations when they were performed and the actions that were occurred. So actions would include like how many units were added, reduced, or if a CSV was imported. You could dial into your PSA integration settings and see the historical details of the sync between Billable and the PSA. You can see activities such as date first synced, last synced, net schedule sync. And if you need to sync right now, right then, you can do it. There's a button. You just need to update your API key and secret here as well. So connecting the PSA is straightforward. It's guided setup. You'll do the usual stuff where you get your PSA API key and the secret. So when you connect and sync Billable in your PSA, cool thing is they're going to show you the unfounded revenue. So you might have someone using some of your service from a vendor, but it might not be reflected in their PSA contract. You can find this, assign the new service revenue to the client contract that's in your PSA and reconcile it and get everything sorted out without you having to go all over the place. It's very nice. It's time saving. The fact that Gradient is helping you find revenue and reconciling your billing for free is like a no-brainer. I absolutely had clients and months where things just slipped past us. Billable would have been a massive time saver for me in my MSP. They are laser focused on your success, and you'll get a customer success manager when you sign up. Their platform is great looking. It's very intuitive. They stood up in 2020 and they now have over 430 MSPs in 30 countries. They integrate with 8 PSAs, Autotask, Manage, BMS, Synchro, Pulseway, Halo PSA, Cello, and TigerPaw. So go over to channelprogram.com, search for Gradient MSP, or you can go check them out in our billing management category in our Explorer. So thank you for watching this edition of IT in 5. My name is Garrett Browne, and have a wonderful day.